So now for the lens, let's work something for the lens. Let's work something for the lens. So we created a material that we don't know we create, so let's use that one. But if you do not create any material, you can click new. So go to edit mode, click this one, this face, this inside face, click the new material just create and assign it. So now what we want to do is this. Yeah, so once you click and create a new material, just change this to, click here, change this to glass. So let's remember this material view, we were here before. If you drag it up, click here and go to shader editor, so, or you can just use this one. So let's play with the roughness, because this one you cannot really see through it like that. So let's play with the roughness in a way that we cannot see through it, and increase this one also, not too much, just in a way it gets blurry like this, because you cannot really see through it. So let's increase this one. So want to add in, if you come down here, press shift A, I'm going to type, go to the search, type transparent, drag this dot here, it's called a node, just drag it up, then click this mix shader, drag this one here, drag this one here, and add it. So right. So if you press shift A here, and click search, type in glossy. So you're going to see glossy, click glossy, and then you have a glossy node here. So just drag this one like this and click mix shader. It's going to bring this mix shader, so connect the top to this place. So just change this choose color, create the rotation, all that. So this is what we have. I think I saw this inside. I see yellow somehow. Let's see why. So okay. So our normal routine, control, honor you, control, control. Click this assign. Yes. There we go. Our camera. Let's set this up for render. Okay. So to bring the picture out to be like this, first go click one to put this in view. That is one on your numpad. Yeah. So people who don't have like numpad, there are a series of numbers on the top. People who is those top numbers on their keyboard that they have, just come to edit, preference, come to navigation, right. Okay, yes, input. So come to input and click emulate numpad. So that will activate those keys on top of your keyboard. If not, if you have a numpad, that is the second side of the keyboard that has all the not 1, 2, 3 well arranged. Yeah, if you have that one, then you're fine. But if you don't have it, you have to come and change this to emulate numpad. So click one, put this into view, then press A, just A to select everything, G to drag this up, Control to snap it. So you see the way it's snapping. If I release control, see the way it's free. If I hold control, see how it's snapping. So just snap it to the top of this X, then shift A and add a plane, S to scale the plane. See, so S to scale, tab to go into edit mode, then click edge, select the back, E to extrude, Z to take it up. So you extrude on the Z axis. That's one. Z axis. Then let's just increase this so you see better. So 0 on your numpad to come to camera view, or you just click this one to take you to camera view. Lock the camera view and then rotate. This is what makes 3D sweet. Rotate. Let me do some things with the light. You can duplicate and have multiple lights. That is Shift D to duplicate to have multiple lights. So there we go. Let me still increase this. Let me reduce this light, scale down, reduce the light, go into camera view. Let me change the color of this one. Change the color of this one. There we go. So yeah, so let's render this out to be picture. Yeah, so if you click edit mode, this edit, after file edit, click edit, click preference, come to system. So you are going to see stuffs like this. If you have a graphics card, you can use this CUDA. That is if you have a reasonable graphics card that backs it up. But if you don't, then you can forget about this process. This is for those people that have graphics cards that can actually take them these options. So when you come to this side of the menu, just click this render and scroll down. You see viewport, you see render. Viewport is this one that we are seeing here. Render is the one we want to, the image we want to have after. That's the image we want to have after. So this is 4K. You don't really need 4K. You don't really need 4K. You just need something good and clear enough. Some people's system might not even be able to render 4K self. So let's reduce this to something like 200 or so. Or if you want, let me just do 1200, just exactly like what we are seeing in the viewport. Yeah, 1020. So if you scroll down, all these ones, they don't concern you, at least not yet, except you want to go fully into it. Let's mess a little bit with this. So if you change this, see the way it changes, increases contrast, reduces contrast. High contrast, that's too high. Let's go for some, let me just stick to the base contrast. So once we are done with that, just press F2, or you just come to render and then render image. So you render image. So you have to wait for the whole samples to finish finish calculating or finish loading, so that okay, see you once the whole stuff is done. So yeah, great, this is done rendering. So we just click image, save as, then go to where you want to save it, and just name it what you want to save as and save it. So that's it. That's everything for introduction to Blender. I hope you learned something, and I hope it has been impactful. I hope you've understood some things, if not everything, but at least you've understood a couple of things about 3D and the way it was. So catch you guys later. So thank you and bye bye.